Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quick and simple dessert, a crustless pie. Here's what you need. 1 1/4 cups of fruit. It can be all one fruit, or you can mix it up. 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of sugar, plus 1 tablespoon of sugar that you will keep separate. 1/2 cup of butter that's melted, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of almond extract, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and a 9-inch pie plate with either cooking spray or butter to grease the plate. The first thing you'll want to do is to preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, we're going to mix together the wet ingredients. First, you're going to pour the melted butter into the bowl. Then the 2 eggs, and the almond extract, and vanilla extract. Then we'll mix it all together with a whisk. Next, we're going to mix together the dry ingredients in a different bowl. First, you add the flour, then 1 cup of sugar, and the salt. You'll want to stir up these ingredients as well. Now, we're going to add the wet mixture to the dry. You'll want to fold the ingredients together. So with slow movements, continue to mix and fold the mixtures together until they're fully combined. You don't want to overstir the mixture. Now that the batter is looking smooth, we'll add the fruit. I've put aside about 1/4 cup of the fruit for later. Then I'll add the rest of the fruit to the bowl and mix it up. Now is the time to grease your pie plate, either with cooking spray or butter. Then pour your batter into the pie plate. You'll want to spread out the batter around the pie plate and fill in all of the spaces. Now you're going to use the fruit that we set aside earlier. Just take the pieces of fruit and stick them into the top of the pie. Finally, you'll use a tablespoon of sugar that we set aside to sprinkle on top. Now it's ready for the oven. This should bake for about 50 minutes, or until the top of the pie is starting to brown. 50 minutes later, you'll take it out of the oven. It looks done, but we'll do one test just to make sure. Take a toothpick and stick it into the middle of the pie. If it comes out clean, with no batter stuck to it, then it's done. You'll want it to cool for a bit before serving the pie. And you can serve it with ice cream or whipped cream to fancy it up. So that's it. I hope you like this recipe as much as I do. Enjoy!